Hi guys, welcome. Today's topic is median. In my previously videos, I told you about mean and mode. I'll give you the link for mean and mode in the description. Let's start the topic. Median. Median is the middlemost observation in the data. To find out median of a grouped data, we add another column called cumulative frequency column. There are two types of cumulative frequency distribution: less than type cumulative frequency distribution, more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Less than type will give us the upper limit and more than type will give us lower limit. Let's write down the formula for median. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, upon F into H. N is number of observations. By doing half of number of observations, we will find out median class. I'll tell you median class when we'll do questions. L is lower limit of median class. CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. F is frequency of median class. F is equal to frequency of median class. And H is the class size. Let's start with the question from NCERT, chapter number 14, Statistics of Class 10th. Exercise number 14.3, this is the question number 1. I'm starting. The following frequency distributions gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. This is the data given. Look, this is the grouped data. See, okay. To find out the median of group data, we add another column called cumulative frequency. In this is the monthly consumption, that is, this is the class interval, and this is number of consumers, this is the frequency. I had to add another column called cumulative frequency to calculate median. Let's write down this. Class interval, that is monthly consumption, now write down the frequency, that is the number of consumers. Now I had to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is calculated as, for this class interval 65 to 85, the cumulative frequency will be same, that is 4. I had write down it. Now for the second class interval, the cumulative frequency, we had to add to this cumulative frequency. I had to add this frequency to find out the cumulative frequency of this second class interval. Look at the arrows I am doing. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now add this 9 to this 13. 9 plus 13 is 22. Now add this 22 with this 20. Similarly, we will do the for this. Now we can find that this cumulative frequency is correct or not. Look, this last value of cumulative frequency will be equal to the number of observations given in this in the question. Number of see, it is given 68 consumers. Okay, number of consumers is 68. So this 68 is equal to this. So we have calculate cumulative frequency, that is it is correct. Now n is number of observations, and number of observation, that number of consumers is given is 62. We have to do half of this n. It is it is 34. Now look at the cumulative frequency column. We have to find a value greater than or nearest to 34. Nearest to 34 or greater than 34. Now find the value. It is 42. 42 is greater than 34. Now the class interval with this value is this. The class interval is this. This class interval is known as median class. The class interval with the value 42 is this, and this lower limit will be the lower limit of the median class is L. L is equal to 25, and this is the frequency, that is frequency of the median class is this, and this is the CF, that is cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. Cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. This is the cumulative frequency. Now I will write down and find class size also, H. Class size here is 20. 25 minus this is class size is 20. H is equal to 20. That is, now write down the formula. L plus n upon 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. Put all the values in this formula. L is 125. Write down. N upon 2 I had calculated is 34. Cumulative frequency is 22. Frequency is 20 and H is also 20. This 20 will be cancelled out by this 20. 125 plus subtract these two is 12 is 137 units. Now in this question I had to find mean and mode 2. The median is this 137. One answer is this. Now to find out mean I had to find xi value. Xi value is calculated by adding 65 and 85 and divide both the value with the 2. 65 plus 85 upon 2 will be 75. Similarly for these values I will calculate. Now I am calculating mean with the formula assume mean method. In assume mean method I had to find out assume mean from these xi values. Assume mean lies in the center of xi values. So center of this xi value is 135. So assume mean is 135. Now in assume mean method I had to calculate di, that is the difference of xi value and assume mean. Xi minus a. 75 minus 135 is minus 60. Similarly I'll calculate for these. Now find out Fi di. Fi di is calculated by multiplication of Fi value with di value. That is 4 multiplied by minus 60 is minus 240. Similarly calculate these values also. Now find out sigma Fi di, that is summation of these Fi di values. Now this value will be minus 700 and these values will be 840. Now subtract 840 with 700. I'll get 140. Now do the summation of Fi, that is sigma Fi is equal to 68. Write down the formula for mean. Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. Assume mean is 135. Sigma Fi di is 140 upon 68. 135. Now divide these values, we'll get 2.05. Add these two values, we'll get 137.05 units. This is the second answer. Now I had to find mod also. Now mod is calculated as, I had to find model class. Model class is we'll find model class by, let's write down the formula first. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We'll find highest frequency among Fi. So highest frequency is this. So this is the model class also. This median class is also model class. Now this L is 125 is the lower limit of the model class. And to find out mod, I am doing, this is the frequency of model class, that is F1, and this is F0, frequency of model class preceding, frequency of class preceding model class, that is F0, and F2 is frequency of class succeeding the model class. These values I calculated, and L is 125, H is 20. Now put these values in mod formula. 125 plus F1 is 20, F0 is 13 upon 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 40 multiply by 20. Now subtract these values, 20 minus 13, we'll get 7 upon 40 to 20 minus 27 up into 20. This is 125. This 7 to the 14, 140 upon 13. Okay. Divide this, we'll get 10.76. That is, add now 125 plus 10.76, we will get 35.76 units. Now look, median, mean and mode are approximately same. So this is a comparison that mean, median and mode are approximately the same. Okay, let's start with the next question. Question number 2. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. This is the class interval and this is the frequency. Now in this question, median is given and I had to calculate these frequency value, that is, which is missing, x and y. Let's start. Write down these class intervals and frequency. Class interval is 0 to 10. Write down the frequency values. Five, x, 20, 15, y and 5. Again I had to calculate cumulative frequency as I am calculating median. Cumulative frequency for this class interval, cumulative frequency will be 5 only. Now add these values to this cumulative frequency. 5 plus x. Then again add this to this value. 5 plus x plus 20 will be 25 plus x. Now again add Look the arrows, how it is moving. 25 plus x will be added to 15. It will be 40 plus x. Now this value will be added to this value. 40 plus x plus y. Again 45 plus x plus y. Now this value 45 plus x, last value of cumulative frequency, is equal to the number of observations. That is, number of observation is equal to the summation of fi. Now find out sigma fi, that is summation of fi values. It is 45. It will be 45 plus x plus y only. No, look, our answer is going in right way, in the correct way. 45 plus x plus y is equal to summation of sigma fi. 45 plus x plus y. And here the total of frequency is given, that is 60. Now this summation which we have done, this 45 plus x plus y is equal to this 60 value. We will write 60 is equal to 45 plus x plus y. Okay, name it. No, I mean, don't name it now. Here 60, take this 45 here. 45 is equal to x plus y. 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. This is the, name it as first equation. Now we'll write down the formula for median. Now as say a summation of f is given, that is number of observation is given 60. Do the half of this. 60 upon 2 is 30. Yes, 30. Now find in the cumulative frequency column a value greater than or nearest to 30. See, 25 plus x is nearest to 30. So the class interval with this cumulative frequency is this. This is the median class, and L is equal to 20 is the lower limit of the median class. This is f frequency of the median class, and cumulative, this is cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Write down these values in the formula. L is equal to 20, n upon 2 is 30. Cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. Write down in formula, and f is 20 and class size is 10. Class size is 10 h. Now calculate it. Median is given 28.5. I have written here. Take this 20 to the left hand side. 5 minus x upon 2. Here we'll get 8.5. 25 minus x upon 2. Take this 2 here. We'll get 10. 17. Take this x here, make it positive. 25 minus 17. X is equal to 8. Now put this value of x in this first equation. Write the equation x plus y is equal to 15. Put the value y is equal to 15 minus 8 is y is equal to 7. So I had calculated it. These are the two values. Let's begin with the third question. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onward but less than 60 years. Look, here class interval is not given. Here below 20, below 25 it is given, and this is the number of policy holders. Now see here that it is in increasing order. Firstly it is in increasing order, and we see that the last value of this column, that is number of policy holders, is equal to the number of observation, that is the number of the number which is given in the question, that is number of observation. This it is equal. Now this column must be cumulative frequency. Yes, it is cumulative frequency column because its last value matches with the number of observation given in the question. So this column is the cumulative frequency column, and we had to find frequency from this cumulative frequency. How we will calculate it? Firstly, write down these values. Also listen, the number of policy holders, this 2 is number of policy holders below age 20, and this 6 is number of policy holders below 25, and it contains policy holders below 20 age, below 20 also. Now I had to extract policy holders which comes between 20 and 25. Okay, understanding? Let's write first. This is the age, or you can write a class interval. It is below 20. Now between 20 to 25, the number of policy holders will be 6 minus 2. Now I'll calculate frequency. Frequency will be calculated as 6 minus 2. This 6 is the number of policy holders below 20 and 25. Now I will calculate number of policy holders between 20 and 25. It will be calculated by subtracting 6 and 2. Okay, firstly write down these class intervals. 20 to 25, it is 25 to 30. This is the cumulative frequency. Write down the cumulative frequency. Now we will find frequency from this cumulative frequency. Frequency will be calculated. The first column will be same. Now 6 minus 2 will be 4. 24 minus 6 will be 18. 45 minus 24 will be 21. Subtract this. 33. This 11. Look at the arrows how I'm doing. Now I had to find median class. Median class, how I will find median class? First do the half of number of observation. Number of observation is 100. Do the half of this. It is 50. 50. Now look at the cumulative frequency column. Find a value which is greater than or nearest to 50. It is 7. I'm taking 78. We can take 45 also. I'm taking 78. This is the class interval with the cumulative frequency 78 is this. This is the median class, and lower limit of this median class is 35. And H is the class size. Class size is 5. 25 to 20 minus 20 is 5. And this is the frequency of median class. Cumulative frequency is the class, cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. This put in the formula. Write down the formula for median. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. L is 35 plus 50 minus 45 upon 33 into 5 plus it is 5 upon 33 into 5. 35 plus 25 upon 33 is equal to, divide these, we'll get 0.76, and these 35.76, we will get 35.76 years. And this is the answer. Now all these questions will be similar. Look, in this question, this is not continuous class interval. To make it this continuous, we will subtract 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit, and this is the frequency. Similarly, we will calculate find out the cumulative frequency and write down the formula and calculate median. Similarly, for these, all the questions are similar to the questions which I told you. Thank you. I hope you like the video, you like the calculations. Do please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.